As a mother country, Britain does not look out in our interests. Britain's motive is interest opposed to attachment. For example, the Parliament's trade regulations don't benefit the colonies, they enrich Britain. Britain has established taxes on wars they fought with complete disregard for our colonial interests.
To me, the Stamp Act and Tea Act is very affordable, and the Boston Tea Party was just a waste of tea. Right now, I just want to secure my current life and my current property, so any radical change would be a risk to my current status.
I moved to America from Scotland looking for the chance to create a better, more financially stable life for myself and to hopefully have the opportunity to send money back to my family in Scotland. I work at the Inn's Bar, pleasing my manager by serving all the Englishmen who come in even though they snub me. I have taught myself to read and write, and yet no one respects me and I remain poor.
As well as more rebellious acts, such as the Boston Massacre that happened. I am leaning towards option 2 and 1 simply because I wish to only protect my family and nothing more.
I see this as a situation where we'll lose more if we get into a war with Britain. I think that currently we get protection from the British Navy. The traders are being able to trade with other countries with protection from their ships. And we get protection from their army, protection from France, protection from other countries that want to attack us. Right now, yes, we're being taxed, and we don't get the representation, but we could just lose this war and be in an even worse situation.